Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is my 8-month-old Sebastian. Our pediatrician recommended Culturelle probiotics to help support his healthy digestive and immune system. This is the Grow and Thrive, which has the vitamin D inside, which I love because it's like giving everything all at once. Right, Sebastian? This is for ages 0 to 12 months. The directions are on the side, and you give 5 drops a day. But there's also a really helpful insert inside. And there's the dropper and the probiotics. So you're gonna wanna shake gently, remove the cap, replace it with a dropper. And as you can see, the consistency is meant to be thick and yellowish in color. Also, after you give the probiotics to the baby, you're not supposed to rinse it or anything because it's supposed to stay dry and clean because you don't want to kill the probiotic by adding moisture or bacteria. Even though there's no line for measurement, it's really easy because it's just 5 drops. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That easy. And you either give it to your baby in the mouth directly, which is what we do because Sebastian doesn't seem to mind, even though it's not meant to be tasty. It's creamy and fermented in taste, but Sebastian actually likes it. And you can also give it to your baby by putting it on your nipple if you're breastfeeding, or in the baby's bottle, or on their spoon. So as directed, we give 5 drops a day, not 5 dropfuls, just 5 drops. So I swirl it around, get the extra residue off so it doesn't drip, and I just give him simply 5 drops in the mouth. Ready, Sebastian? 1, 2, yummy. Ready? Come on. 3, 4, 5. And that's it. You don't need to wipe it or dry it. That's all. Good job, Sebastian.